Hello everyone, this is a fix for an unresponsive home button for an iPod Touch or iPhone. Now to do this you just need to open up the Stocks app. This does not work with iPad as the iPad does not have a Stocks application. Cancel. And you just need to press and hold the power button until the slide to unlock thing comes up. Just need to press and hold the home button. Nice noise, stomach. This might not work first time if you have an unresponsive home button. But now, as you can see, it has exited the app. And now the button is responsiver, or more responsive. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.